Well, hello there, wonderful young people. Let's use Texas Instruments TI-30 series, this wonderful Dixon Ticonderoga number 2, and a straight edge. Do this problem right here. This is a statistics problem. Cumulative frequency. Oh, bless me, it's allergy season. What are you going to do? It's not COVID, I promise. All right, so for those of you just joining in, this is the ninth video in a series where we're doing an old paper from May of 2014. If you're a Cambridge IGCSE student, these are fantastic uh, resources to study. You want to pass the test, you got to practice the test. That's what we're going over right here. Let's do this one, right? All right. So the time in minutes is taken by 80 people. All right, so 80 people to complete a charity swim. Oh, wait. The reading's important. English, good. The times, T is in minutes, right? Taken by 80 people to complete a charity swim were recorded. The results are shown in the cumulative frequency diagram above. Find the median. Well, we go from 0 to 80. So here, I'm going to have to zoom out for this hotness right here. Let's see if we can get this. Let's see what we can do here. Let's see if we can get a better view. All right, now we can see the whole thing. So the median is going to be the 40th. That's the middle. So a lot of the time in the mark scheme, which is the grading guiding document, it says for the to the person grading that they need to make sure that they grade that this is drawn accurately, right? So the 40th is the median, right? And that's going to be, looks like these are tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, those are tenths. So this is 34. So I'm going to go out on a limb, say that the median is 34. All right. Now, a lot of these, just to FYI, a lot of these things, when you read it off of a graph, they give you a small range of possible answers. And, yep, so the correct answer in the grading diagram is 34 to 34.5. So they do give you a range of answers, but you got to be careful, right? All right, interquartile range. Okay, so that means you break it up into quarters and you take the middle. And it's the range, so the difference between those two, right? So if we go up to 80, like this is how you do it. We could do this in our head, right? But here's what you do. Divide it by 4, and that gives you 20. So this would be the first quarter. That's the second quarter. This is the third quarter. Do you see? Now that was really easy if it was 80, but that's exactly how you do it no matter what. Like if this was 100, you divide it by 4, and you'd have 25, and 75 would be your first and third quarters. So same deal, right? Go ahead and be very careful. Draw your line across, draw your line down. So this right here, that's 25. So that's where the first quarter starts. The third quarter begins here. So interquartile range is talking about the difference between the first and the third quarter. Let's see. Accuracy is very, very important. Okay, so that's 43. 1, 2, yeah, 43. So the way you're going to do this is worth 2 points. So might as well just show the work, right? 43 minus 25. I'm not very good at math, but I do believe that is 18. Boom, done. That's 3 points in the pocket. Okay, next up it says find the 70th percentile. 70th percentile. So 80 times 0.7 is 56, right? 56. So you're going to go up to 56. That would be the 70th percentile right there. The 70th percentile, 56. So, fortunately on this test, these questions involving this cumulative frequency diagram are pretty straightforward. Oh, that looks like it's in the middle. Oh man, we got to be careful here. That makes me nervous. So it looks like looks like I it looks like I'm not real sure. I may have done something wrong here. Let's see. Let's see. 70th percentile. No, I guess that's going to be it. That looks like it's going to be 40, 42 maybe. Hard to tell. So 42. Let me see what the answer document says. Oh yeah, 41 to 42. So we are right on there. Okay. All right, so that's good. All right, now, oh man, allergies. I swear it's not COVID. I promise. Let's zoom in a little bit now, right? Let's do this right here, boys and girls. All right, so it says calculate the mean time. Calculate an estimate. So the reason this is an estimate is we don't know the exact values on this cumulative on this frequent grouped frequency. Jeez Louise, might be the morning. I don't know. Grouped frequency table. So you can't calculate the exact mean because you don't know where these 12 occur. They could all occur at 20. They could occur at, they could all be exactly in the middle, right? So we don't really know. So what you do is you take the midpoint of each. So from 0 to 20 is 10, and you multiply that by 12. You take the midpoint of this one, which is 25, 25 times 21. Take the middle of this one. Let's see, that's a difference of 15, so that's 7.5, right? So 37.5 times 33, and then 2.5, so 47.5 times 14, and then you divide all of that by however many there were, and I think it was 80, right? This is, yeah, 80. It says right here 80. Right there, 80 people. So this is how you do it. Now, a lot of the times, if you don't show this work, you're going to lose a ton of points. And if you show this work and you get it wrong, you're still going to get a lot of points because this is the correct idea. This is a demonstration that you understand the concept. So let's see here. Let's plug this in. Let's see if I can make sure. Let's see if I can figure out how to show you the calculator and the whole thing here. Oh man, that's not very good. Let's try it on this side. Oh, that's a little better. Okay, so let's clear this. 10 times 12, of course, that's 120. Plus 25 times 21 plus 37.5 times 33 plus 47.5 times 14. That whole thing equals that number right there. Divide that by 80. We get 31.8. 31.8. And that's three significant figures, 31.8. I would highly advise that when you're doing this as a test, you do that same calculation twice. But I already know it's good to go, so we're going to quit. All right, now draw a histogram to represent the group frequency table. Now, here's the deal. Frequency density. Frequency density is frequency divided by class width. Do you see? So here we have a frequency of 12. We have 12 divided by 20. Do you see? 12 divided by 20. That's going to be our frequency density. Do you see? So 12 divided by 20, that's what? 3/5. So that's 0.6. So 0.6 is right here. So 0 to 20 is 0.6. I should use my, oh, sorry, I don't know if you could see that. So frequency density from 0 to 20 is 0.6. You see? We could shade that in if we wanted. We don't really have to, but because I'm drawing on a pencil, it's kind of hard to see. Did it. All right, now, next one from 20 to 30. You see right here from 20 to 30, that's a frequency density of 10. So 21 divided by 10 is 2.1. So 2.1, so that's going to be right here. All right, let's go ahead and use our ruler. 2.1 from 20 to 30. There we go. Next up, this is a 33. There's a frequency of 33, and the class width is 15. So 33 divided by 15, a little less than 2. Let's see, 33 divided by 15. Sorry, a little more than 2, of course, 2.2. Sorry, that's why I use calculator. All right, to 45, 30 to 45, it was 2.2, 2.2. So 2.2. So 2. 0.2. So that's right here. All right, that's interesting. 2.2. Okay, there we go. And then the last one, we had a width of 5 and we had 14, right? So 2.4, right? I think, right? No, 2.8. Man, Whew, math is hard. So it would be 2 and 4/5. That's where I did the point 4, right? But point 4/5 is point 8. Holy moly guacamole! Where's my coffee? Oh man, somebody bring me some coffee. So 2.8. This is a weird frequency graph right here. So 2.8 would be this right here, and there we go. So there is our cumulative frequency graph right there. Man, hope this has been helpful. You guys are wonderful people. That would be what? This whole thing would be 4, 8, 10, 13 points on that one problem. Hope it's been useful. You guys are wonderful young people. Until next time, I'll see you later.